Now all I have to do is add this round candle holder to the top of the vase, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to use some E6000 and hot glue. Now I'm going to glue the fluorofoam with some hot glue right here on top of my candle holder, and then start my arrangement. It is, and it took me about 30 to 35 minutes to make. So all right, it's ready to go. Now let's put it on and see how it looks. I left this little part here without any flowers, so I'm able to glue it under here. The brooches from Totally Dazzle, totally, no pun intended, totally gave it the touch that it needed to look amazing. This is a beautiful centerpiece. My 4 picture frames with metallic silver spray paint, and I'm going to be painting 4 of the glass, my tallest vase and my shortest vase, with Looking Glass silver. glue to these 3 sides because this front side is actually the slot where the cards are going to be going into. If you take a look closely, there's a height difference here, so this is where the cards are going to go into. I already added the E6000, and now I'm going to add some hot glue so it can bond faster. E6000 to glue this together, but you will have to leave it or let it bond overnight. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use both E6000 and my hot glue gun. To use double-sided tape. Perfect. Now I'm going to start stacking the boxes right on top. I just finished aligning the diamond wraps on each box to make it look like it's one thing. What a pain in the behind that was. So the best thing for you to do is just to place the diamond wrap at the end once you stack the boxes together. That totally would have saved me some time and effort. I'm going to add some hot glue to the corner. decided to leave the one crystal with the ornament in the inside and the rest of the crystals in the outside. I have 8 crystals in the outside and I have 2 on each side, and the ones in the front and the back are longer than the ones on the side, so you can have a little bit of contrast. My last thing to do is going to be to place a little bit of bling right here on the edges of the base, and that's gonna be pretty much it. So here's the first wall, and I secured it in the inside because the outside I need it to be as flat as possible when I add the diamond wrap. Finished vases. It was bothering me that my 2 smaller ones were very sturdy and then the one in the middle was not. I thought with the wrap it will make it sturdier, and it did a little bit but not much. So what I did, I had some foam board downstairs and I just cut a piece and I inserted it at the bottom, and now it's solid.